What's up? It's bright and early. It's 6:24. We're leaving in 35 minutes to this whole thing. Let's cook some breakfast and then we're headed. Okay, so we're just about getting set up here. We got this whole, let me show you over here what it looks like. We got banners, we got all kinds. This nice little beach flag. Looking good. And at the back here we got this banner kind of thing. Looks like this. Someone designed this a couple episodes ago. Next to Teufelburger. So what we're gonna do now is just talk to people, sell some gear, do stuff, see how it goes. So the first day is kind of coming to an end. 6 o'clock. Spoken to quite a few people. Not a massive turn up today, to be honest, but it's a Friday, so I guess people are off tomorrow. So hopefully we can speak to more people tomorrow. We've gotten 2 trials though from the app, which is pretty decent. Now I'm on my way to find my room in this castle where we're staying, which is a little bit wild. I've been told I have the room at the top of the thing. But let's go see if we can find the room, then we're gonna see if we can find some food, go to bed, and then we have a whole other day of this tomorrow where we're gonna try to sell the app. Let's do it. God damn, this is like... it's like a whole proper castle. Oh my days. God damn. So many stairs. Yeah, we're going to the top, right? You won't believe where I'm staying. Then we go down this dark corridor. We're looking for room 8. See if we can find it. There we go. God damn! This place is ancient. Jesus. Camera stuff here. This place is real old, authentic castle vibes, let me tell you. Let me give you a little bit of a tour. Come to the door here. This is where you end up. This is where you overlook. You can step right in. You have a little bit of a old bed situation, some kind of ancient old lamp. Over here we have seating, as well as some cupboard thing that's probably worth millions. Combined with a nice view of a field of some kind. Let's see what the bathroom looks like. See if that's as old as the other stuff. Yeah, this is a lot newer actually. I'm really not fitting into this event with my tech bro vest, by the way, but you know, we're doing our best. So this is where I'm gonna be staying for 2 days, promoting the app as well as Arbeidsbutikken, the store, which we're over there setting up for. So now I'm gonna go back down, like do another hour or something like that at the tree climbing competition. Then we're gonna come back, maybe get changed, have a shower, and then go get some dinner. Let's do it.
2 hours later.
Alright, I'm speaking relatively quietly since I'm here in this old 1700s castle. Just took a shower, got in from the day, been out in the field all day, just speaking to people, presenting a little bit, handing out a couple of cards, so that's good. But not as much foot traffic as we were kind of expecting, which is a little bit disappointing. But tomorrow is a new day, it's a Saturday, so there should be more people, and I'm gonna try to document a little bit more of it, like kind of like speaking to people, the whole event itself, because I guess it can be quite interesting. What are these people doing? What are these people we're trying to sell this app to? They've been along with this journey the whole time. So yeah, going to try to record a little bit more tomorrow. But for today, decent day, could have been better, could have been worse though. We're gonna call it a night there. See ya. Let's get set up for the day. Okay, so we have moved locations a little bit. We're in this kind of like off part where we set up some flags, all that kind of stuff. And we're now about to do like the final event kind of thing. This turned out to be a pretty good like meet and greet people, you know, to give out some business cards, that kind of stuff. Am I busy? Not super busy, won't say. I definitely could have had time to film more and like share more of the story, but you know, it is what it is. So now this afternoon we have the final. We're gonna have some lunch, then we're gonna try to fly the drone and get some sick shots because this place is wild. There's a car there, but just look at this. Like in the middle of nature. So let's go have some lunch, fly the drone, get some sick angles.
2 hours later.
And that is it for this day, ladies and gentlemen. I don't even know where this video is going. I thought I was going to record a lot more than I have been. Been quite busy taking photos. I think I have like 500 photos from this event, so haven't really been paying much attention to this camera, which is this channel, because for the photos I have another camera, which is what makes this all confusing, because I gotta pick up this camera to make YouTube videos, I gotta pick up this camera to take photos, which is what I'm actually doing. So yeah, a little bit all over. I thought I was gonna make a much more cinematic, much more collected video than this ended up being. It is what it is though.